In a squishy, splashy pond, there lived a toad named 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆. He loved to gobble up tiny ants who were just minding their own business. Munch, munch, munch. The poor ants would run away shouting, "Oh no, not 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆 again!" They feared his big tongue and his even bigger appetite. One sunny day, a bouncy green frog named Giggles hopped over to the pond. Giggles was famous for his big shiny smile and his love for telling silly jokes. Giggles saw 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆 chasing ants and thought, "This toad needs a giggle and a lesson." He hopped closer to the grumpy toad. "Hey, 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆, why are you eating those poor ants?" asked Giggles. "They're so small they'd barely fill your tummy." 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆 puffed out his chest and said, "Because I am the only one who matters on this earth. Me, me, me." Giggles' eyes went wide and he nearly fell into the pond with surprise. What? Ah! This earth belongs to everyone. "How do I know that's true?" grumbled 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆, crossing his arms like a grumpy pancake. Giggles grinned and said, "Let's go ask King 𝗬𝘁𝗍, the lion who rules our forest. He's so wise." So, off they hopped. 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆 grumbling and Giggles doing cartwheels to find King 𝗬𝘁𝗍. King 𝗬𝘁𝗍 was lounging on a big sunny rock, combing his fluffy mane with his paws. When he heard 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆's story, his whiskers twitched, and he let out a big rumbly roar. "𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆, you'll stay in the cozy cage for 3 days alone," roared King 𝗬𝘁𝗍. On the first day, King 𝗬𝘁𝗍 peeked in and asked, "Well, 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆, are you having fun all by yourself?" On the third day, 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆 was practically bouncing in the cage, not from joy, but from wanting to get out. 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆 cried, "King, you are right! Everyone matters. The ants, the frogs, even the tickly grass." King 𝗬𝘁𝗍 opened the cage, and 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆 hopped out, promising to be kind to everyone. From that day on, 𝗦𝘁cie𝗿𝘆 became best friends with the ants, helping them carry their crumbs instead of eating them. And the whole pond giggled together, living happily ever after.